All right, so we're going to talk about distance and displacement. All right, so distance and displacement are both represented by the symbol x, but the only difference is that distance is a scalar and displacement is a vector. All right, so when we're talking about distance, all we care about are the numbers, not the direction. When we're talking about displacement, we care about the numbers and the direction. All right, and I just want to review some things with some people. So up means positive, down means negative, left means negative, and right means positive. Okay? So up means positive, down means negative, left means negative, right means positive. All right, so let's go ahead and solve this problem. So what is the distance in this problem? All right, so since we only care about the numbers because distance is a scalar, we're all going to just add these numbers up. 2 meters plus 2 meters plus 4 meters plus 4 meters equals 4. That is 12 meters. That is the distance. Okay. Now, what is the displacement? So we're going to do the exact same thing, except we're just going to account for the direction that the numbers are pointed. Okay. So we have a 2, but this is a positive 2 because it's going up. So we have a positive 2 meters. We have a positive 4 meters because it's going to the right. And I'm just getting this from our conditions we made up there. Up means positive, down means negative, left means negative, right means positive. We have a negative 2, right, because it's pointing down, negative 2 meters, and a negative 4 meters because it's pointing to the right. So if we add this up, this is going to be 2 meters plus 4 meters, which is 6 meters, minus 2 meters minus 4 meters. So we know 2 minus 2 is 0, and 4 minus 4 is 0, so the whole thing goes to 0. So this is interesting. We see that the distance compared to the displacement is completely different. All right, and this goes back into our scalar and vector conversation. Remember, a scalar is just the magnitude. We just care about the number. A vector, which is displacement, we care about the number and the direction that is pointed. So we see here distance, which is just a scalar. All we care about is the numbers. We don't care about the direction. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. But if we account for the displacement, we have to account for, if we ask about the displacement, we have to account for the direction, which is going to be positive 2 plus a positive 4 minus a 2 minus a 4, which equals 0. So we see that the distance is 12 meters and the displacement is 0, which goes over what we just went over. All right, please leave your comments in the description. Thank you. Bye-bye.